Yeah, I was amazed to see the things that I collected after all this time. So here I have some fresh thyme, some oregano, lemon pepper seasoning, and of course the spice. I'm just gonna add that in right now. Gonna infuse all of the flavors going on here. So no work for you, Christopher? You done work today? Christopher, I was telling you the last time, you should let your wife join my channel so she could like talk with me and we could figure out like some Ireland dishes and stuff. Because I've never met anyone from Ireland on my channel before. So it would have been really, really, really cool if she wants to do that. Check it out. You can't be the only one checking it out. This is the leftover rice, guys. Just gonna add it to it. Leftovers is not a bad thing. Leftovers is a good thing. Just give it a little stir stir. And for those of you who are new to my channel, you're welcome. If you haven't joined yet, please join. Give me a thumbs up. Like the channel, guys. Like up the channel. Okay, so that is getting hot. So I'm just going to put a little bit of soy sauce to it, just to give it a little color. Just a little. After all that goodness in there, should be really good. So you see, you can make your old dish into a new dish by using your leftover rice. It's always a good thing. I'm gonna put some turmeric. Just a little bit of turmeric in there. Yeah, that should be. You need a little extra. How, guys, turmeric is very good for you today. So if you have it in your house, please incorporate it in your dishes as well. It tastes just as good. So you see, I have a new dish right there, just by adding some veggies to the old rice that I had yesterday. And it's a new meal. Don't let it go to waste. Guys, you know you can make puddings and stuff with your rice? I think I had rice pudding like once. I'm not a fan of puddings and stuff. Okay, while that's doing its stuff, I put it lower. And then I have a plantain that I found. The rest isn't ripe yet, so I'm going to try and fry this plantain up. And, yep. Make it work. I don't want it to spoil, so might as well fry it. You know? How the tingle. Because it's getting like really old. So I'm just going to cut it up and fry it up, and that will be the end of that. Yep. Because I don't want it to spoil on me. Yeah, just like that. Just put a little bit of oil in there. Just to fry that up. That is what we're about today. Leftovers and not letting food spoil. I'm just going to put it in the pan. For those of you who don't know what plantains are, it's a really good dish you should try out. They look like these big bananas, but they're not. They're called plantain. And it's kind of sweet when it's ripe. You can even use it when it's green.